Coming up in today's video, it's been 20 weeks since I've been using mini braids to grow my natural hair long, healthy and strong. In today's video, I share with you tips on how to grow your natural hair long, healthy and strong. So let's go ahead and go into today's video. Mini braids has really helped me to retain length over the last 20 weeks. That's a long time. So I've been using it as a long-term protective style. It has really helped me to grow my natural hair to lengths that I didn't even think was possible. And I'm going to share that with you. When I saw this set of braids and the way they looked, I knew it was time to take down. So this is my final update with my hair. Looking at this, the next set of videos you will see is take down and installation of my new mini braids. I'm so excited to bring you that content. So as you know, over the last 20 weeks, I have been using mini braids to grow my natural hair long, healthy and strong. I've also been doing virgin hair fertilizer on my hair, cloves and other growth aids to give me that added boost. I explained that I stopped using virgin hair fertilizer for a while, but I'm now back onto it with my new set of braids. My newest braids installation will be a continuation of this one. It's the same challenge, it's still using mini braids to grow my natural hair. So the next video will be week 21 and I'm so excited to show you what my fresh set of braids look like and also all the growth that I've received. 20 weeks of wearing my hair like this has not been easy, but when I saw the growth on my natural hair, I was very determined to keep my mini braids in. As you can see, the hair that I'm taking down is very fuzzy, it looks very frizzy and I wasn't really able to enjoy my hair. But being in this mini braids hair challenge, I was determined to really see major growth on my hair, and that meant doing something that I've never done before. So I've never really kept a styling, a protective styling for this long. This is the first protective style I've done this way. And I was confident enough to do this on my protective style because this was using my own hair. I didn't have any extensions in, worry about that getting caught in it and getting damaged. As I've explained before, mini braids is a great way of growing your natural hair long. Because it is using your own hair, you're able to wash your hair as much as you like, apply all the treatment and really take care of your natural hair. It is got its drawbacks, and I've got a video documenting, two videos actually, one on the pros of mini braids and one on the cons of mini braids, because it does have both. You can see how long my hair is as I pull along my hair from having mini braids in for this period of time. There was a lot of buildup, and as I said, once I looked at my hair, you can even see the shrinkage between my hair that's been in for a while and the new braid that I installed. And this was what I was finding out, that as I redid some of the braids, because I could only get about 5 to 15 done per week, then the other section that I've done the previous week would look really messy. So I wanted to get them all out, and you will see in my takedown videos coming out after this one that I had to really remove them because it was time. I wanted my hair to get back uniformity, but I also wanted to continue my week by week updates with showing you the same amount of growth. Once again, do check out my mini braids for growth playlist. It will go through week by week. There's actually 2, so you can check out any one of them and follow along. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel and also give this video a like. It really means a lot to me and growing this YouTube channel. I thank you so much for your support. So I absolutely advocate for using mini braids on your natural hair to grow it long, healthy and strong. It is a great protective style for natural hair. You could also use mini twists, and I do have mini twist playlist if you want to check that out. And mini twist has its own advantages and disadvantages. With the mini braids, I'm able to keep my hair in for a longer period of time, and so I chose this one particularly as my protective style. As you know, at the start of this year, I did set a goal to grow my natural hair as well as all my other growth videos around that time. So do check those out as well. Setting realistic goals. And this was one of the ways that I could really get onto my growth plan, my hair growth plan. So I kept these in because I wanted to meet those goals. And that's why I advocate for setting SMART goals, because that way you're going to want to be motivated to achieve them. I also have a mini twist playlist, so check that out if mini braids is not really your style. Mini twist is able to do the same. As I said, they both have their pros and their cons, so check out my mini twist for growth playlist. Also check out my DIY playlist. I make homemade treatments to grow my natural hair. I'm able to infuse my mini braids with henna, fenugreek and all the lovely stuff that's moisturized my hair and also helped with the growth. I've also got a virgin hair fertilizer playlist showing you my main growth aid and how it's helped me with week by week to transform my hair. And also I've used clove. I'm still using clove on my natural hair to grow it long, healthy and strong. So check out all of those videos. If you are curious about where I started my natural hair journey, check out my natural hair journey playlist. I've never had long hair before, and this is just a journey for me to really grow my natural hair to the longest I'm able to get it. As you could see from the measurement at the start of the video, in 20 weeks, in 4 months, I managed to get over 2.5 inches of growth. I'm sure it was 2 to 3 inches in some spot with shrinkage. You know, my hair shrinks. So about 3 inches in 4 months. That's the power of mini braids. That's the power of using such a long-term protective style on your natural hair. You will see a difference. And as I said, when I took down my hair, I was totally shocked at the amount of growth. Redoing my hair week by week, I wasn't really seeing the progress until I took it all down, gave it a wash and stretched it a little bit, and I was absolutely amazed. So do try mini braids on your natural hair to grow it long, healthy and strong. Do comment down below and let me know if you've ever kept mini braids in for as long as I have. Also, let me know the updates, because there's lots of ladies that were installing their mini braids the same time as me. So let me know how you're getting on in the challenge. Also, as I said, my content will still focus a lot on mini braids. My hair is in fresh set of mini braids right now, so I'm making lots more mini braids content. I just had to, after seeing this video, I had to remove this set because it was just looking frizzy and I didn't really know which section was growing by how much, so I couldn't do my weekly growth updates that I'd like to do for you all. In this video, I've shown you that I've got amazing growth from using mini braids to grow my natural hair over the last 20 weeks. I also recommend you using this technique to grow your natural hair. You'll get unstoppable, unbelievable results from using this. So do go ahead and give it a try. More of the same content, so look out. I'm catering to the videos that you want to watch. Also put down below any issues you may be having, any questions you have on mini braids, and I'm going to be very, very happy to answer that. I want to thank you so much for watching my channel, and I will see you in my next video.